Hey guys and gals, welcome to Salty Hunter Fishing, and welcome back to the channel if you're already a subscriber. This is sadly the last kayak fishing trip of the season that I've got for you. I do have some other boat fishing videos; those are coming out soon. But this was it. With it being mid-November and the water temperature's cooling, the fish are moving out into the ocean, and that's all we got. So I hope you enjoy the tail end of the fall run.
There we go. Nice. Oh, sweet. Nice bass. That's who I was looking for.
Yes, I'm sure you hear the surprise in my voice there. There were a lot of bluefish around in these past couple of days, so it was nice to finally see these bass moving through on their way out to the Chesapeake on the migration. So we finally got them. Hey, and that plug is the Yozeri 3D Inshore Top Knock. It's 1 ounce and 5 inches. It's actually my favorite topwater plug, and we'll talk more about it in a second.
Beautiful fish. Put them on the new board just for fun. "32 inches. Give him some water. He's biting down a little. This is why you change your hardware on your plugs. That was just a slot fish. It wasn't a monster or anything, but it totally bent that hook. And it jacked this one all up too. All messed up. Look at that. That split ring is pulled out. That split ring's okay, but man, it just bent the crap out of these hooks. So that's why you change your hardware. I use VMC 9626 hooks typically, and owner split rings. And I thought I changed these out, but obviously not. So that's why you do it. We won't be using that plug again today.
Okay, so now I've got a Savage Gear 1 3/4 ounce panic pencil on here, and I've got some birds in front of me and some fish rising, so we're gonna just toss it into them and we'll see what happens.
There we go.
Hey, and for those of you interested, I'm using a G Loomis IMX Pro Blue rod. It's the 84.3 SF, and I've got it paired with a Shimano Stella SW4000, and I have 30-pound J-Braid Grand on the reel. And I also just want to point out the sonar here. Check out my fish finder on the bottom right of the screen. I know it comes in and out of the frame, but the amount of fish under me at this point is pretty insane. Yeah, so at this point, it's pretty clear that this is a bluefish. Striped bass just don't fight like this. Bluefish, they take quite a bit longer to get to the kayak. But yeah, it's going to come up here soon, and we'll get it off the hook, and we'll get another lure back out there.
You know what? I just cracked a seltzer, and that reminds me of my another YouTuber and friend of mine, Dan, at Fishing Accomplished. Yeah, he does seltzer reviews while he's fishing, which I'm not going to do. But if you want to see some really cool fishing videos, make sure you go over and check out Fishing Accomplished. He's got a really cool channel. He's an amazing fisherman, and I think you'll really like his stuff if you're watching this. So yeah, cheers to Dan.
Okay, so like I mentioned before, I'm still marking a lot of stuff on the bottom, but I wasn't seeing a lot of topwater activity. So you might have seen the spoon hanging out on the other rod that I had on the kayak, and that's what we're dropping now. And we're just snapping it up and then staying in contact with it as it drops back down.
Oh man. Oh, these goddamn sea robins. It's so funny. They'll take these spoons.
Yeah, and that's definitely not what we were looking for. I thought I was done with these guys when I stopped fluke fishing, but apparently not. They will eat absolutely anything. They're bottom feeders, and their eyes are bigger than their stomach. So if you're fishing with a flutter spoon, I guess you can still catch sea robins. All right, so here we go again with the next drop. You'll see a lot of activity on the screen on the bottom right, and I'm just waiting for the kayak to slow down. I don't want to put that flutter spoon down while I'm still moving, lest I scope out, and then it's going to be challenging to get the right presentation. So I'm going to wait till I kind of stop, let that hit the bottom, and like I said, just snap it up and stay in contact with it as it drops. And by the way, it is a Ben Parker 3-ounce 8-inch Magnum spoon. It's pretty cool. You can see me react to those little taps that I had there. I didn't hook up, but you can also see the exactly what happened on the fish finder on the bottom right.
There it is. Oh man, I gotta get this guy off so I can get out there.
Yeah, so I said that because I thought this was a bluefish, and in front of me I'm seeing a lot of birds and a lot of fish coming up in the water. But when we find out what this is, I'm gonna be real happy that that's what I was dealing with.
Oh, it's a bass. Fuck yeah.
Yeah, so this was in the same area that I caught that bluefish before, and that's why I was so surprised that this was a striped bass, but that's just what we were looking for, so pretty happy about that.
Oh, nice bass, dude. Easy, easy. Get that out. Like a 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 pounder. Oh, that's nice.
All right, so I'm still marking a lot of activity on the fish finder, and I've got the spoon on still, and we're gonna see what we can pull up from the bottom.
Jeez, look at that screen. I don't know if you can see that, but that's insane. This guy. Taking us for a little ride. Man, I wish I could take a picture of the screen right now. Hopefully that's showing up in the video. Oh, it's a goddamn bluefish. I thought I had a nice bass here.
All right, so if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your support. Make sure you click one of the videos on the screen right now if you want to go see some more fishing content on my channel. And if you enjoy videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. It really helps me out a lot and allows me to continue making videos like this. So thank you so much for your support, and tight lines.
All right, dude. What are you? 6 pounds? You're not even big.